Ricardo Campbell, all elbows and boundless energy, hammered a boogie-woogie riff on the ancient-looking piano. Across the room, Lucilda Rose, his cousin, her brow furrowed in concentration, countered with a delicate melody, her fingers dancing across the keys with surprising grace. Sunlight streamed through the open window of their shared practice room in their Kingston home, thick with the scent of hibiscus and the promise of mango season. They were both 18, cousins by close relatives, siblings in spirit, and partners in a secret, their shared obsession with music, specifically the piano. No formal lessons, just YouTube tutorials, and bits of sheet music bought from markets, and countless hours of painstaking practice, fueled by passion and the relentless heat of the Jamaican sun. One sweltering afternoon, a knock echoed on the door. A portly man with kind eyes and a shock of white hair stood on the threshold. "Ricardo? Lucilda? I'm Taddy G. I heard some beautiful sounds coming from here." Taddy G, a legendary piano teacher from the local music academy, had heard whispers of their talent. He decided to investigate. He settled onto a comfy, creaking chair, and with a nod, Ricardo launched into a complicated piece by Debussy. Lucilda followed, seamlessly transitioning into a soulful and happy rendition of a jazz standard. Taddy G listened, his jaw slack. His pen, normally poised to scribble corrections, remained untouched. Here were two teenagers, raw, untamed, their talent blooming like a rare orchid in the heart of Kingston. When they finished, silence hung in the air, broken only by the chirping of crickets. Taddy G finally cleared his throat. "Children," he said, his voice thick with emotion, "you have something truly special. Something that needs to be nurtured. I want to teach you." He extended his hand, a gesture of respect and an offer that could change their lives forever. Ricardo and Lucilda exchanged a glance, a shared understanding passing between them. The future, once a small spark on the horizon, now shimmered with glamorous possibilities,